Our chicken is ready. The potatoes are boiled. Now we let it rest. So this is my lunch today. Hello, this is my lunch today. There is measured rice, chicken kosha, begun pora, for which I have some leftover lacha paratha and aloo bhaja. So no dieting. This chicken kosha is from last night. I had a friend who likes chicken, so I made that because I had guests over. And you will do recipe. First, let me show you. This chicken kosha with bhat or even parota or paratha. Parota bole ফেললাম বাঙালি তো। It was brilliant. During the pandemic, I learned how to cook. Before that, I couldn't boil an egg. I used to see the time on Google and then boil an egg. Anyway, so I learned this from our YouTube channel. I'll look it up and I'll let you all know because I've learned so much from YouTube. But I've shared the recipe. Keep watching. This is 1 kilo chicken, curry cut chicken. Add some salt to taste. One teaspoon red chili powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. A little bit of mustard oil. And then marinate it. The longer you leave it, the better it is. Keep it at least for half an hour. Overnight would be better. Chicken is marinated. Heat a pan and add some mustard oil. It's a kosha chicken, so it's a little oily. I've taken 4 potatoes. Fry them. Now the potatoes are fried. I will keep them aside. Now take some garam masala. I've taken 6 cardamoms, 2 sticks of cinnamon and 8 dry red chilies. Also add 2 bay leaves. I'm adding 4 cups of chopped onions. Now cook this for a while. Add a teaspoon of sugar. Add some salt to taste. In the meantime, we'll make a masala. Take 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add a little water and mix it. And keep this aside. When the onion looks like this, add 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Cook this till the raw smell goes. Now add your masala paste. Add a cup of tomato puree. Now cook this till the oil completely separates. Now that the oil is separated, add your potatoes and add your chicken. Now saute this for about 2-3 minutes. Mix it well. Add your balanced salt according to taste. Take your masala bowl and add a little bit of water. Mix it well. Now cover and cook for 20 minutes, but make sure you stir it every 5 minutes. Covered for 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it every 5 minutes. So 15 minutes are over. It smells delicious already. Cover again for another 5 minutes. Now 20 minutes are over. My chicken is almost done. Add some garam masala powder. 6 slit green chilies, depends on how spicy you like it. A little bit of coriander and a teaspoon of ghee. Give this a good mix. Cover it and cook it for 5 more minutes and your chicken kosha is done. 5 minutes are over. Our chicken is ready. The potatoes are boiled. Now we let it rest. What's your lunch?